Today I will show you how you can take a screenshot and you can record your screen in your MacBook Pro. Go to App Store, then in the search bar type awesome screen screen recorder. So just type this one, awesome screen recorder, and the first result you will get this one. Just download this one. Once you download it, just click on open. It will actually open at the top, and this is the icon. You will see it. Once you will click on it, it will open this one. If you will go to capture, and this option shows like if you want to select any specific area to take screenshot, you can just select this one. If you want to take from for full window, you can this one, and for full screen you can click on it. Right now I will take the screenshot of selected area and then select, and now I will be able to select the area. Okay, so this area I have selected. Once I will release the button, it gives me option where I can just highlight things. I can change the color as well. Then I can point out to something. Then if I have to blur something, I can do that as well. So, and then after that I can just click on save and it will be saved. Okay, so if I go in the folder, and you can see this is the screenshot we have just taken right now. Okay, if you want to record something, you just need to go at the top, and then go to record section, and then the same options, like if you want to record selected area or a window or a full screen camera only, here you can turn on your camera, your audio system audio. So whatever you want, you can just select it. Once you will click on start recording, it will start recording the full screen. Right now it is on the full screen, and at the left side you will see this menu bar from where you can just turn on mic or turn off, then turn on camera, and then restart, and then you can stop. So if I will stop it, so this is the recording. We can just preview it from here as well. Okay, and once that is done, you can just rename it. Okay, then save. Okay, show in folder. So this is the video. If I open it, and you can see the screen has been recorded. Thank you for your time. Please subscribe Simply Adil for more videos. Thank you.